Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do green screen in CapCut. So if you want to edit a green screen video, and here you just need to add a clip into your CapCut that you want to as the background of the clip. So this is my background and I want to have a bokeh effect. So I'm going to add a blur to this clip. So you need to go to the video effects and add the blur, and to make it more natural you can just set the blur into 10, around 10 to 15. I'm going to go with 10. You can click on the check icon, adjust the durations of the effects. So this is the background, and now you can just add the green screen video, add the green screen video as overlay. So click on the overlay button, add overlay, and then just select the videos. Okay, so in here you guys can see I've already added the green screen video, and let's just remove the green screen using Chroma key. So you can just go to the remove background options, click on the Chroma key, and then just drag the color picker into the green screen like this. Adjust the intensity and also the shadow. Then you can just click on the check icon and adjust the position of the green screen so that it match with your clips. So this is the result, and that's how you can do green screen in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.